Section 11.3, Analysis of Variance, also abbreviated ANOVA. So what is analysis of variance? Number one, let's say you want to increase the money you make creating YouTube videos of yourself playing video games. I mean, we all do that, right? Anyways, you aren't sure if your videos need to be longer, come out more frequently, or showcase different games. You also don't want to make all of these changes together because you'd rather focus on one change that brings you the biggest increase in income. So instead, you focus on one change per month and compare the average number of views from each of those months. Instead of comparing month 1 to 2, then month 1 to 3, followed by month 2 to 3, you can use an ANOVA test on all 3 months at one time. Right? In Chapter 9, we learned how to do a paired t-test comparing independent samples, but it can only compare 2 samples. We need to compare 3 samples, and we can do it at one time. So the definition for analysis of variance is a way to test if there is a statistical difference between more than 2 means using an F-test, right? Chapter 9, we only learned how to do it if there were 2 means. This is for more than 2 means, or as I just said previously, 3 or more means. So what are the conditions you need to perform an ANOVA test? First, you're comparing more than 2 means. Again, you're comparing 3 or more means. The populations are normally distributed, or at least approximately normally distributed. The samples are independent of each other, and the variances of the population must be equal. Now, I should say populations. Notice I underline population because you're going to see the sample variances won't be equal in your collected data, and this is okay.